Today we are discussing about the topic the preparation of ethane. Ethane formula C2H6. See the question, 8 marks question for IPE. Describe methods of preparation of ethane and explain the chemical properties of ethane with equations. Let's see. Preparation of ethane. Ethane formula C2H6. C2H6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first method is decarboxylation. D means removing. Ethane is prepared by heating of sodium propionate. Sodium propionate. Propane, there are 3 carbons. 1, 2, 3. It means RC double bond OR. Ester formula RC double bond OR. He said there is a sodium is present, means Na. Carbon valency 4, CH3, CH2. Reacting with soda lime. Soda lime means the mixture of NaOH plus CaO. Just remove NaO means removing of Na2CO3. Na2 1. There are 3 carbons. Na2CO3. Remaining is there is CSC present. There is a H present. It is called C2H6. I will write the equation. Just wait. Propionate. Sodium propionate means C2H5C double bond O Na. Reacting with soda lime. Soda lime means NaOH plus CaO combination. The product is ethane. C2H6 means just remove this part. Na2CO3. Na2CO3 is known as sodium carbonate. The product is C2H5. There is a H present. There is C2H6. C2H6 means ethane. Okay. The next process. Next process is Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction means ethane is prepared by heating of methyl iodide with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. Methyl iodide means methyl iodide reacting with sodium metal. Let's take 2 moles of methyl iodide in the presence of dry ether. Just remove this part. 2 moles of sodium iodide. The remaining part is CS3 single bond CS3, nothing but C2H6. C2H6 means methyl iodide reacting with the sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. The product is ethane. Means you will get double number of alkane in this process. This process is known as Wurtz reaction. Very, very important for 2 marks. The next process, Kolbe's electrolysis. Electrolysis means nothing but hydrolysis. Ethane is obtained by the electrolysis of aqueous potassium acetate. Acetate means RC double bond O means it's known as ester process. It means OR. Nothing but it's ester. Let's reaction. CSC C double bond O K. Let's take 2 moles CS3 C double bond O K. Hydrolysis means H2O. Just write, cut like this. H2O means H plus OH minus. H plus OH means take 2 moles. There are 2 OHs present plus KOH. There are 2 moles of hydrogen, H2. There are CO2 is present, CO2 plus CS3 single bond CS3, CS3 single bond CS3, nothing but C2H6. This reaction is known as Kolbe's electrolysis. See the reaction. CS3CO, okay. On hydrolysis means cut like this. C2H6 CO2 KOH, the hydrogen is present. Very important for 2 marks question. Sabatier-Sandrens reduction. Reduction means adding of hydrogens. On large scale of ethane is prepared by the catalytic hydrogenation of ethylene. Ethylene means CH2 double bond CH2. If you are adding hydrogen to ethylene, it will become unsaturated to saturated. Ethylene on hydrogenation means add hydrogen. One hydrogen. Double bond will become single bond. Means CS3 single bond CS3. Nothing but C2H6. This reaction is known as Sabatier-Sandrens reaction. Very important for 2 marks. The next one is reduction of ethyl iodide. Ethyl means 2 carbons. Iodide means C2H5. Iodide means I. Reduction means adding of hydrogen. In the presence of zinc plus HCl, the product is ethane. C2H5. Adding of hydrogen. Add one hydrogen. It forms C2H6. Another hydrogen is there. Hydrogen with iodide. It forms hydrogen iodide. Decarboxylation, Wurtz reaction, Kolbe's electrolysis, Sabatier-Sandrens reaction, reduction of ethyl iodide. Next, chemical properties. Action with chlorine. Action with chlorine known as, it also known as chlorination. Chlorination of adding of fluorine. It is a substitution reaction. Remove one hydrogen, replace hydrogen with halogen. This reaction is known as substitution reaction. Let's check. Ethane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight or UV light. It gives ethyl chloride. Ethane means C2H6 reacting with the chlorine in the presence of sunlight or UV light. Replace one hydrogen with halogen means C2H5. One hydrogen is replaced Cl. That hydrogen combined with the chlorine, it forms HCl. Nothing but C2H6 reacting with chlorine. C2H5. One hydrogen is replaced with chlorine. That hydrogen combined with halogen, it forms hydrochloric acid. This product is known as ethyl chloride. Same. Next one is also same. Action with nitric acid. Nitration. Nitration means HNO3. It is known as nitric acid. Ethane react with nitric acid vapors at 400 degree. It gives nitroethane. Nothing but replace one hydrogen with NO2. C2H5, NO2. One hydrogen combined with H2O, it forms H2O. I will write C2H6 plus HNO3. We can write HNO3 like this: OH, NO2, C2H5. One hydrogen is replaced. That hydrogen combined with OH, it forms H2O. The next one is action of with oxygen. Oxygen means it's oxidation. Oxidation means adding of oxygen. Ethane react with oxygen on combustion. Combustion means heating to form carbon dioxide plus H2O. Ethane combustion with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide plus H2O. The combustion formula I will tell. Note down this formula, very, very important. This part. Cn H2n plus 2 means alkane. How many moles oxygen will we take? 3n plus 1 by 2 mole. They form n moles of carbon dioxide, n plus 1 mole of hydrogen. I will tell you some examples. For example, let's take n values 2. Write 2, C2, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Write n values 2 means 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 oxygen. It form n moles of carbon dioxide means 2 moles of carbon dioxide, n plus 1 moles of water means 2 plus 1 means 3, 3 moles of water. Very important. Next one, completed. This is preparation of ethane. Thank you.